How to activate Kohl's credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you activate your Kohl's credit card online. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for kohls.capital1.com. After you search for that, simply from here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on sign in. From here, you'll have to just sign into your online banking account, provide your correct username and password. After that, tap on sign in. And as usual, you can recover your password by tapping on the option forgot username or password. Simply after you logged into your account, simply from there, I will show you what you can do from there. After you log in with your account, from there, you'll have to just locate for the option activation, like to activate our new replacement card. After that, from there, you'll have to just enter your card details, your card number and security code CVV. After that, follow the prompts or that will guide you through the remaining step to activate your card. Once you have activated from there, you can as usual use your Kohl's credit card for processing or making the payment from there. And that's it. This is the process to activate Kohl's credit card online. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.